Hi, I'm Tommy. This is my English blog. I live in Tokyo, in Japan. Okay, I talk about career, about air carrier, air carrier. Carrier means airplanes company. Yeah, I think. And now airplanes company, airplane carrier facing very dangerous or difficult or very hard situation, maybe uh, uh, from from TV or news I hear, but I think not clear. I think not too difficult. I think it makes some other chance. I think, but I don't know fact or I don't know true. I don't know inside over about carrier, airplane carrier. But I think this is opportunity, one opportunity for changing company or changing system or changing inside. I think this is one opportunity. I think in the future, in the near future, uh, don't don't get back about the customer in a yes, same customer as before us. I think in the near future, don't get back. I think for airplane carrier, it means airplane carrier need to change themselves, change them. Yes, and I think change equal makes chance. Yeah, I think it's the reason why I said chance this is time. In Japan's airplane carrier is maybe ANA is very big carrier and JAL is very big carrier. It's two big carrier we have, and maybe ANA is very struggle this situation, and I don't know about JAL situation because many news don't inform introduce JAL situation. I don't know why. Maybe probably the JAL don't facing JAL no problem. I don't know, but I think this is one opportunity for ANA and JAL because in near future maybe situation is changing before COVID-19, of course, and airplanes meaning is changing, and aircraft meaning is changing, and airplanes carriers meaning is changing. I think airplanes carrier or passage is maybe some other reason or some other reason we will have. For example, maybe not only trip. I think it's will be adventure about some other adventure. I think and sky is very free from now for future. Yes, for example, one people all airplane rent borrow, and they someone take freely or subscription. Yeah, not only ticket, subscription. For example, month blah blah blah. Yeah, some pay, and they can get every time. Take every time airplane. I think it is very good for tripper or like other one. I think maybe people take airplanes, take airplane carriers, customer or planes. Number is population is maybe not increase with future because we have good online, but maybe time can increasing because maybe some like trip people some like trip people ride ride many times, maybe not only one. I think they want to adventure, or they want to go abroad, or they want to go other side. Maybe not one time. Not need not some time over about take airplane. It means I think subscription is very good for their business, because subscription is can expect about profit or income or outcome. Yes, but I don't know it's suitable for their style or them company. But I think this time we need they need to change. They need to challenge, I think. Okay, that's all. Okay, how do you think about airplane career, the future? No future, no future. Airplane carriers, change, or evolution or revolution. Yeah, and growing. I think they can grow. Okay, that's all. That's all. Japan is very good weather. Good day. Holiday? Saturday? Okay. How do you think business? I think their future is very good and bright. Shine. Okay, great. Okay, goodbye.